My friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adigbola coming to you from Dallas, Texas. I actually parked in front of Walmart here. I came to pick up the cake that I ordered for Thanksgiving. I just decided to shoot this quick video. I want to say thank you for being my friend. Thank you for being there. Thank you because you are my friend. Thank you because we have connected together. Thank you because you are my blog reader. Thank you because you are my team member. And I want to thank you if you are my virtual assistant and you have just been there helping us in one way or the other. And I want to say thank you to the entire Eden Riches crew, my support team and everybody, you know. And even if you are watching this video and you are my friend on Facebook, or you are a frequent reader of my blog, or you are just one of those people that has been possibly following me and just checking out what we've been doing, and then maybe you are thinking that one of these days you're going to be part of us on what we do, I want to say thank you. I'm so grateful for you. I'm so grateful for this universe. I'm so grateful that God created this universe and just put us here to just rule and reign, to just dominate. And if you count your blessing, you will discover that there are many reasons why you need to be grateful to God, because God has been so just awesome in every area. And it's possible, possibly, you have been disappointed in one way or the other this year. Maybe your expectations are not met in one way or the other. I want to just encourage you that the year is not over yet. You know, I mean, anything can still happen. There's what is called 11th hour miracle. It can still happen in your life. So I just want to, you know, encourage you to keep faith alive, to keep hope alive, and keep trusting God that whatsoever you are trusting God for, even before the end of this year, is going to come to pass in your life. So I thank you so much for you, my friend, and so many of my teams. Possibly you've been looking at business. That business is kind of a slow this period of the year. Or I just get off phone with one of my team members actually, and he was talking about a concern about conversion. You know, I'm cooking something for us, and very soon I'm going to make it available for the marketplace. It's going to shoot your conversion to the roof. Okay, so just keep doing what you're doing. Keep trusting that what you are doing will take you to that land of paradise. My friend, thank you so much for watching this video, and happy holiday.